Are you looking for the best mini greenhouses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best mini greenhouses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. ROBOTIME Dollhouse Wooden Mini Greenhouse. The ROBOTIME DIY Dollhouse Wooden is simple and easy to assemble. It is one of those kits that come with assembling instructions that are accompanied by pictures. It comes with a dollhouse light that makes it look smart. The light also makes it good for indoor application. The light makes this furniture kit look beautiful, thus good for decorating your house. Number 4. Gardman R705 Tier Greenhouse. The 27x18 by 79 inches in dimension, Gardman R705 Tier Greenhouse gives an ideal environment where you can grow your crops. The 5 tiers give you a lot of space for different types of plants. It is good for homes with small backyards, and you can also put it on the patio, deck or balcony. It made with a polyethylene cover, thus allowing free flow of air while protecting your crops. It has a door that can roll up and zipped. Number 3. Quick Tent Updated Large Zipper Doors Mini Greenhouse. The Quick Tent Updated Mini Greenhouse will give you what you really want. It is made a simple and straightforward way, thus suitable for those who are starting farming. The manufacturer is ISO 9001-2000 certified, thus producing high-quality products. It has 2 doors that can be opened and rolled up using ropes. It is good for germinating seeds, thus giving you more than 95% germination rate. You can use it both indoor and outdoor. Number 2. Quick Tent Greenhouse with Mini Walk Outdoor Greenhouse. With a 17 pounds weight holding capacity, the Quick Tent Greenhouse is made heavy-duty coated frames that can hold many planting trays. The top shelf is suitable for tall plants due to the dome-shaped roof. It is also portable and easy to move in and out during the odd seasons. It is waterproof and it good for keeping away UV light. The mid-walkway gives you time to inspect your crops and even water them. The 6 shelves in the 3 tiers give you enough space. Number 1. Sunblaster with NanoDome Mini Greenhouse Kit. The Sunblaster Mini Greenhouse is a small kit that you can put in any small space that you have in your house. It can help you grow crops throughout the year. It comes with everything you need to grow crops all the time. You only need a small space and you are ready to go. The kit comes with a LED strip light, thus making it right for indoor application. It also comes with pots for holding soil. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.